Hi, happy Saturday. Are you out and about in your neighborhood looking at open houses or maybe going to your dream neighborhood to see what's available? Let me give you some tips on what to look for. I always recommend making a list of the top 5 things you would love to have your new home to have. And then kind of be willing to live without a couple of them, maybe 2. When you walk in a place and you start looking around, if it's a cute place, you just get swept up in how cute it is. Take a minute, look around and think, will my stuff fit here? Will I be comfortable here? How would I live? An open house is a great place to find an agent who knows the area. If they're working there, they can probably answer lots of questions. Any real estate questions you have, if you go into an open house and make a great connection, ask away. I always sit down with my clients before sending them out into the wild of open houses to figure out what that list is. It's a great conversation to have, especially with your partner, spouse, or family, and it will allow your realtor to be able to forward you the great listings that we see on a daily basis. So if you haven't talked to a realtor yet, message me. I'd love to sit down and talk with you, or if you know somebody, give them a call.